Dazol, this is one of the most powerful products which we have in our home care category. ठीक है ना. Dazol की एक खासियत ये है, concentrated product. It's a very good cleaner. आप इससे हाथ भी धो सकते हैं. क्यों? Because इसमें coconut oil derivative है. In spite of being a concentrated cleaner, it's very, very, very safe for your hands. It's biodegradable, biosafe. कोई इशू नहीं है. इसको अगर आप छू भी लेंगे, जनरली क्या होता है, concentrated products को छूने से स्किन खराब हो जाती है. You can see I've touched this, nothing is going to happen to my finger. Nothing will happen. And आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा. Very, very nice viscosity, very nice feeling, very, very concentrated. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a live demo now. I'm going to take some polish. हम जो लोग भी जूते पॉलिश करते हैं घर के अंदर, आप देखेंगे पॉलिश करते वक्त अक्सर पॉलिश का स्टेन इज डिफिकल्ट टू रिमूव. Difficult to remove. And this is black polish. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some black polish on my finger. And polish is a very tough stain to remove, by the way. And a very smelly thing to put on your hand. So I'm going to put some polish on my hand. You can see now, this is polish. अगर आप इसको एक normal साबुन से धोएंगे, if you use a normal साबुन, if you use a soft wash, different story. But if you use any other market normal cheap quality product which lot of companies sell today, इसको निकालना easy नहीं है. Okay, so you can see polish on my hand. This अभी मैं थोड़ा और wait कर रहा हूँ ताकि polish all soak in हो जाए, थोड़ा settle down हो जाए. So I'm going to now show you a demo with Dazol. It's a very simple demo. Take a white cloth. या देख रहे हैं, it's a brand new handkerchief. Brand new handkerchief. No stains, right? I'm going to now use this handkerchief. What I'm going to now do is I'm going to put some Dazol onto it. Right? मैंने इसमें आप देखा मैंने थोड़ा Dazol लगाया है. And I'm going to just wipe my hand with the Dazol. Let's see what happens. Voila, and the magic happens. There is no polish on my hand. Right? There is no polish. बट ये तो रुमाल तो खराब हो गया. अब रुमाल का क्या करेंगे? फेंकना पड़ेगा. बिल्कुल भी नहीं फेंकना पड़ेगा. This is the power of Dazol. It's so concentrated that even the small amount of Dazol which I had put on the handkerchief, which I had used to remove the polish, अब मैं इसी Dazol से इस रुमाल को धोऊंगा. Let's see क्या होता है कि नहीं. Let's see होता है कि नहीं. क्या Dazol जो Dazol नाम है, whether it actually Dazol or no, so हाथ से तो पॉलिश पूरी तरह से उतर गया है. Now let's see whether it will come off. We have a fantastic bowl, Soul Chef. Awesome quality. और मैं अब इसी रुमाल को बिना Dazol डाले इसके अंदर धोने की कोशिश करता हूँ. Let's see what happens. Right? तो थोड़ा सा इसको रगड़ लेते हैं. Ideally see, you should take a रुमाल which has no starch on it. Generally starch से क्या होता है कि जब आप starch रुमाल यूज करते हैं, और अक्सर starch रुमाल हम लोग यूज नहीं करते हैं. First time when the hanky comes or the handkerchief comes, and आजकल you know with the kind of germs in the air and everything, we generally wash our clothes, even the new clothes. So it's recommended to wash it. So I'm not going to, but I've still taken a starch rumal and let's see what happens. So I've rubbed it properly. बढ़िया क्वालिटी का पॉलिश था. तो थोड़ा मुझे लगता है Dazol लगाना पड़ेगा, but let's see the magic. कितना निकलता है, let's see. Right. So you can see the polish is almost gone from the rumal. And I have not put any more Dazol onto this. And if you take a non-starched rumal, right, it will be wonderful. And this is what generally happens at home. So I put very small Dazol. अगर आपको लगता है कि stain बहुत tough है, take little bit of more Dazol, just put it there and leave it for some time. 2-3 minutes, leave it in the water, अपने आप stain निकलेगा. So this is the Dazol formula. And you see nothing is happening on my hand. There is no reaction. कोई जल नहीं रही है skin, कोई खराब नहीं हो रही है. Typically market products के अंदर इस तरह के products में you will get a skin sensitivity. So even sensitive skin people can use it, but it is always recommended. If you develop a reaction or something, which at times in any product it can happen, there's a 0.5% chance in a million. It's always nice to then avoid using this product if that happens. But that will not happen. I have not personally seen any reaction happen on anybody's hand in these 30 years in Modi Care. So this is the powerful demo of Dazol.